It should be happen.
No, it's not.
It is number 2.
Or
it
Halton. Handlen?
Halton?
No, not the Handlen. I think 2 or 3. You choose by
I
yourself.
have this. I haven't this. I Halton this.
Halton. Have, has. It could be have, has, na. So, haben, Halton. I think it is have, has. So, let's go with the second one.
Happen. Right!
right.
Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So thank you so much for supporting our channel, and I would request you all guys to just subscribe the channel and make us reach the goal of 1000 subscribers as fast as possible. Also, the thing is, like, you guys have been commenting so many lovely comments, and
Yes.
we have been reading your comments, and the comments were like, first of all, many people just loved Muskan.
Oh, thank you so much.
And the other thing was, people were like very much inviting us that you should come to Germany, and they were ready to host us. So that was so
Wow.
heart touching to see, and I don't know like when we will be able to go to Germany, but someday I'll surely message some of you guys that yes, I am coming.
Definitely.
And we would like to like
We'll go on a trip together.
yes.
All of us.
And also like many interesting topics came. So people say that you should try to understand Germany, because we were also trying to like learn Germany through the videos, music
Yeah,
videos.
to be honest, you guys have really long spelling, so I like really don't know how to pronounce them.
So this is a German proficiency test.
Oh,
So this we got from the internet, and this is like German for English speakers. So we as English speakers will try to understand as many German words as possible.
oh, okay. Let's start.
So let's start. It's a beginner level, so choose the correct meaning.
S. I think it's yes.
Yes, it should be yes.
Yes,
A
of
yes.
course.
Of course it should be yes.
Yes.
100%.
Google.
Oh!
That's not right.
What it is? S. Done.
Dan.
Done.
Dan. I think I will go with the can.
Dan can.
Can.
Okay. Let's
Can.
go with the rhyming one.
That's not right.
Which is right?
Oh, they don't provide right answers.
Mare.
Mare.
More. This should be more. More. Mare.
Yeah, let's go with the more.
Come on. Yes!
Oh!
We are proper Germans. Give us
Yeah.
citizenship.
Before.
No, war.
We are so
Life.
bad. We're just rhyming
War.
it.
Wait. I think so. It could be wait also. I think
War. Let's go with the weight.
so. Wait.
I think
War
it's going to be
is
wrong.
Oh no! It was before. You were right. Atwas.
Atwas. And now you will say eat
Atwas. You wanna Atwas?
something.
Atwas. Eat.
Eat.
Let's go with eat.
We are giving very silly
Oh
answers.
no!
to
We
be
are
honest.
losing it. You know the German immigration ones will just tear our passport.
Yeah. You cannot go
You
to
don't know
Germany.
simple German words. You approximately know 690 words.
words.
Oh wow! Really?
690 words.
Oh wow!
Like really?
We just knew one word.
Yeah. Oh, German.net.
So work is translated to Worgen.
Wait. Work is translated to
Worgen.
Worgen.
Arbeiten.
Wackelen.
Worgen.
We
I
don't
think so.
know the accent. We are just faking it, huh?
It's Worgen. Wrong.
Where is it showing?
Work is
Where is it showing?
Arbeiten.
Oh yeah, wrong. That
Move.
Move.
Moghin. So I think that is one of those two, because whenever there is two, it should be theirs.
Let's go with that. Okay.
And it is
Gamble.
wrong. It was Bivagen.
Yeah, this is a different one. I thought let's not risk it.
Who said in the comments that
common.
English and Germany are a branch
No.
one? Eat. We just saw.
Essen. No.
No, there was not eat, so we were wrong in that also.
But we don't know the right answer, na? Verandon. Essen, yeah. I was thinking about that Essen, but then I thought that
Haben.
are you crazy?
It should be haben.
No, it's not.
It is number 2. Or it Halton.
Halton. Handlen?
Halton?
No, not the Handlen. I think 2 or 3. You choose by
I
yourself.
have this. I haven't this. I Halton this.
Halton. So
Have.
let's go with the second one.
Haben. Right!
Right. Okay.
Stand. Steigen.
Stand.
I'm
Steigen.
Steigen. Stahen.
Stand.
Fallen.
You cannot like guess it by forming a sentence.
We can. Fallen.
Steigen,
Stotten.
stand, fallen.
I think third and fourth one are not.
Stotten, no. Third and fourth one are not.
Number
Because-
1. Steigen.
Because you chose second one, so now is it MCQ?
Yes.
I was giving that.
That's how we rule.
Yeah. This is going to be correct, I would say.
Steigen. Oh no, it was Stahen. It was number 2 only. All the answers are number 2. Day. Day is translated to. Now you answer this.
Day. Okay, day.
Jahar.
Tag. Stundi.
I think so. We are
It's
just.
sounding like Arabic.
We are butchering all the names. Germans will be like,
Forgive
what
us,
is this
please.
Germany? We
are
have
not
never
making
heard.
fun, but it's very just hard to pronounce it.
They're like, we even have not heard this Germany. What is this Germany?
This is Indian Germany.
R.
Stupid people.
R. Die Stunde.
It's R. My accent is becoming like R.
R is die
Die Stunde.
prostitute. Prostitute. What is that? No, that should not be the one. No. Why do you want to kill prostitutes?
I think you should empty your brain.
See, it is
For
that.
a while,
Read the second
your
one.
eyes and mind are not cooperating.
Read the second one.
Prostitute.
That's die
You
prostitute.
write it prostitute, okay?
Darzahan.
It's
Darhammer.
sounding like Arabic, huh? Yeah, we are going with the hammer.
Darhammer.
Hammer. Okay.
Wrong. Dar Stunde.
Stunde.
Die Stunde.
Stunde. Okay.
Street.
Street.
Die Stra. What
Der-
is that? B. Die
Yeah, that is
Stastre.
B and it is Gujarati's the.
Der Strudel.
Der Strudel.
Der Strand.
Der Strand. Die Strickle. Now you will say for the fourth one because we have keep on choosing,
Street.
first, second, and
Street.
third. Now you will
Strike-
say it's fourth.
Strike.
Logicless.
I would say number 4 only. Why? Because the strake rhymes with street. Let's go. And it's wrong.
Wrong.
Dry strabe.
Oh, that weird one. Daughter.
You should know that. You are a daughter of someone. You should know that.
Die Schuster.
Die Schwester.
Twister. Der Schuster. Die Tante. Tante? Let's go with the first one.
Die Schwester.
Yeah.
And this is also wrong. Die Toaster.
Toaster. Oh, okay.
Brother. Der brother.
Now
Der
you
brother.
are someone's der brother.
Of course, it is der brother. And I am
Der
right.
brother.
That, yeah, you are wrong.
Woo!
This is how you become a good brother. Now, if you are a good woman, you should know this.
This is complicated.
Why
man.
do Germans
Der-
like to
and
kill
then
everyone? Die.
Verlobt. Is T silent? So I
Vol-
cannot pronounce it.
Volaptai. No?
I would say the third one. This is something when you wear.
So let's go for the third
one.
Okay.
Yeah. This is very random.
You are wrong. I was also wrong.
Bruh. City.
City. Die bang. Die
We live in a
mite.
city.
Die stat.
Die bank. Why die?
Yes.
Like, what's the meaning of die?
I think so. It should be this. This.
The.
No.
The.
It is not the woman. It is this woman.
Yeah, this.
Die Rathos.
Rathos.
I think so. Die stat.
Let's go with that.
And
Woo!
I know
I
a
was
lot
right.
of Germany. I know that. Sister. Die Schwester. Yes, I got the answer.
Die Swister.
The fourth one is die cousin.
Squister.
Yes! Mother. Die motai.
Mutter.
Or die mutter.
Mutter.
Die mutter or die motai.
We mutter in Hindi we call it like peace, Let's go with the mutter. Morte.
Correct.
True. Okay. Collar.
Die kole.
Collar. Das Kashkrishan.
Die kole.
Die for. Die. No, it's
Wrong. Die farbe.
Farbe. I was just saying about it that choose die farbe.
Die feather. We are getting Germany. Oh no, the bad. Oh no.
We are connecting it with the English. That's why. Parents.
We need some more words to understand, then we can just bang on it.
Basics.
Yeah.
Basics.
Parents. Die
Die
kartoffeln.
Kartoffeln. Die Elton.
This is just a guess.
Die
Which guess do you want?
Waji. Die Waji.
Wow, so smart.
Snorts. Die Elton.
Die wife. Die wife every
Die
time.
wife.
Kill wife.
What will you choose?
Der Witwe. The girl was
Girls
Frau.
Yeah.
See?
Woo!
We know Germany.
Frau. Die Frau. Son.
Die Son.
Die Son.
Die Sohn.
Son.
Or the fourth one, Die Sohn.
Das Licht.
I would
Das
go for
Licht.
Die Son.
Die Son.
No, Die
Oh,
Sohn.
Son.
Month. This month. Der Montag. I am wrong.
Der Monat. I was saying just der Monat.
Oh no.
Year. This year. Die Frudi. Die Kelly. Das Jur. Der Beruf.
Let's go for the fourth one. Okay, so
sure.
that was it. So like it was very tough for us and we got lot of them wrong, and I think so we have butchered a lot of Germany also. So German words also. So do let us know like what we did and how good we were in the like understanding of Germany as a newbie. We have never heard Germany.
Yeah.
Only some reaction videos. That's it. Nothing
Yeah,
else.
but we should learn, I think, some basic words like how are you or this, that, some basics, so that we could like identify when it is connected to some other word.
Yes, actually. So how did you guys find this video? Do let us know in the comment section below. So do like, share, and
Subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.